Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing the 6th class, assignment 22, 8th lesson, trade in agriculture produce. And here the first question is, imagine a situation where there is no AMY nearby your village. What challenges and will the farmers face in this situation? Yes, already you know and about that AMY, agriculture market yard. Agriculture market yard is very important and for the farmers, because and when those are collecting different types of products and from their field, and then those are selling in the agriculture market, because in the agriculture market, and the minimum price means the minimum support price and completely decided through agriculture market. So the government decide the minimum support price, MSP. It is called in short form MSP. So the MSP is completely what is decided by the government. So then most of the farmers are completely collect the means what is that minimum support price and from the market. So AMY means that agriculture market yard is very essential, and at least the minimum support price and from the products, from their products. That's why, and here, and if the products are very good or and even grade means and products are there, then the farmers are getting more and money and more money and through AMY. If then what is that one? If there is no AMY, what happened? Then the middleman and those are called commissioner agents are collecting and then their products, and they are giving less money. Those are not following and the minimum support price, means those are not giving and the minimum support price, because the minimum support price is completely and decided by the government, and those are giving through the market yards. Next question. Why is the irrigated area list in Telangana? Yes sir, and ER and irrigation is a major and problem and in the Telangana region. And the formation of the Telangana region, there are three important aspects are there. The first one is in education, second one is in employment, and third one is irrigation, right? So this is the irrigation is very important, but here the net irrigated area is very low in this Telangana region, because of and it is situated, the Telangana region is situated in the plateau region, right? And most of the farmers are completely depend on well or borewell. Well or borewell means what you understood here. Then the most of the farmers are completely depend on only the either surface or then ground water, right? So here then what is that one? Those are completely depend on irrigation. Projects are completely depend on, means what is that one? That's why the Telangana government and given and one of the important and project Mana Uru Mana Cheru. What is that? Mana Uru Mana Cheru. So what happened here? Mana Uru Mana Cheru, and each one village and at least and one tank is there, and before or and starting of the village or end of the village. Okay, so then what is that here? The most of the Telangana and farmers are completely depend on only tank, right? Only tank. That's why the irrigation facilities are and very and important for growing agricultural products and in the what is Telangana region. Next question. What are the problems faced by the small farmers in the rural areas? Yes, the small farmers are very and important to those are facing lot of problem, especially the economical problem. Already I told the first one is the literacy problem. Already I told then more than 40% of farmers are and completely illiterates, right? That's why those are complete and cheat and in the market. Either those are collecting some type of and hybrid seeds, those are collecting some type of fertilizers and pesticides and from the market, or in the AMY means in the agriculture market, whatever may be, where they are and collecting different types of and what is that one, and some of the and agricultural products and then are and agriculture and equipments, and then those are completely cheated because of illiterates. Second one is India, the lack of mechanization. Here the most of the farmers are illiterate. That's why those are not utilizing any type of modern methods. Okay. Next, scarcity of HYV means high yield varieties. Those are, they never use any type of high yield varieties because of small farmers. They have just only 1 or 2 acres are there. Those are not interested to introduce modern equipments and as well as different types of hybrid seeds and other new equipments and are the new yields. Right. Next one is India, the lack of capital formation. Yes, the governments are given a lot of and those are giving a lot of opportunities to the farmers, but most of in the rural area, most of the farmers are not utilizing and this and type of facilities. And the second one is, then moreover the government also not encouraging and to the farmers, especially the small farmers are getting and a lot of problem. That's why directly those are consult to the money lenders, and then those are money lenders are collecting high interest and from there from the farmers, especially the small farmers. Next one is either flood or the droughts. Then every year and we are getting lot of problem, either drought or and flood and effects are completely and occurred and in their fields. Automatically those are getting lot of problem and in the fields. Next one is in the poor agricultural market facilities. Yes, most of the already told, then market and facilities are and either far away or then some of the market facilities are available, but those are not and given minimum facilities in the market yard. That's why then what will be either those are getting and means when those are means what is that one pour in the their end products, either they are getting rain or those are getting some type of problem and then totally and their end products are completely spoiled. So and at that time those are getting very less prices and from their products. Next one is the lack of knowledge about the demandable crop, because there is no other sources other and facilities. That's why and what those are means there is no knowledge about their products, because they don't know and whatever the position of the market. Then those are not in consult to anybody. So illiterates, the lack of and education, or then they never can consult to other persons, and that's why and innocence is these are an important and problems, especially the small farmers. So the small farmers are completely cheated. That's why those are getting different types of problems in the society. I hope that and you understood this and lesson. Thank you, children.